Yul Edochie, you no go your friend burial. You no show any love, you no post as then. Maybe you get 1 or 2 arguments when I get before you die. But better still, why you no just let bygone be bygone?
My country people, I don't they begin they think one kind. Are we really sure say Yul Edochie they alright?
Jesus!
Like, are we sure that he's alright? Cause the present Yul Edochie now is far different from the one we used to know. Yul Edochie, only you want talk, no post Junior Pope. Since this ugly incident happened, since April 10th, you no even talk RIP to your colleagues whereby you no talk anything. Nobody argues, nobody disturbed you. Only you again no attend burial of your late colleague and your friend according to you. Nobody queries you, nobody argue about that, nobody do anything. Now you come today, come for your page, come the right say the reason why you never talk about late Junior Pope or even attend the burial be say he stabbed you for back, that you still come out and address the general public of what happened between you and him. Like, you sure say you did okay. How can you be this mean? How? Person wey don't buy, you no even give am last respect. Now you don't dey drag. Nobody knows tomorrow. Cause when I saw the thing, like I was like, even if something happened and you no talk am when he was alive, why can't you let bygone be bygone? Anything wey you no talk when person dey alive, when the person go, make you no talk and make you zip up. Cause wetin you want talk now? You want drag the dead? I've been waiting. I beg my people, make we listen to wetin brother Mike talk. Cause according to him, he talk say Yul Edochie tell am something for secret. Allegedly, no be me talk am na brother Mike. Make we hear wetin he talk.
Alright. Yul Edochie come here around 2 o'clock in the midnight last night. He say, brother Michael, he get wetin I wan tell you about Junior Pope. He say, brother Mike, be popular person. He said, with you, if I join a hand to hand, we go fit expose the death of Junior Pope. We go expose that to the whole world. The reason why most people they show and love now we don't die. I said, okay, all right, bro, go on, carry on. My ear they open. He said, brother Michael, this thing I want to tell you, so you go put that for secret. I said, bro, wait first. I not do a secret court. But at least I go bear myself not to expose you to the world. So I surprised today around 9 o'clock. Now he post for his story. He say wanted Nigeria the reason why he no more Junior Pope, he no go that place. Best way be say that they should move him before. At least colleague for industry. No matter how you hate and rich, he don't go, he don't go. The same death way take can take anybody. Understand? So now call am for say, yo, what did they happen? Why you go post this in now? You be say, oh, don't like this, don't like this. He say no feel bear am again. Say at least whether the guy's spirits they push am, they pinch am, I don't know again. So that's okay, all right. I go make this video in the evening time. Let the world know everything and thing when you tell me. Understand me so I come find out say in this country called Nigeria, because of spiritual church women they go, sometimes they don't tell their husbands, and the man don't really know what thing they do again. That's the reason why this guy come outside to come. There is a used to come bring more pain.
My people, the things where they happen for this life is very deep. No be things where you go see with ordinary eyes. Cause ever since Yul Edochie married second wife, this man don't change. And they talk am again, say this man don't change. This is not the Yul Edochie way we used to know. This man just they do things like person wey no get sense again. I talk am again, say even if something happened, Yul Edochie, you suppose zip up. You no suppose talk anything, cause you no drag him when he dey alive. Assuming he's still alive now, you bring up this thing, we go help you say drag him, talk him, drag him like I pass my neighbor's generator. But now when you don't buy, you suppose respect him. Yeah, you suppose respect him, cause he respected you when your son buy. Look at now, he paid his last homage when your son buy.
Nation, a new content was supposed to drop today on my page. But I'm very sorry to disappoint you guys because we are mourning. Yes, we are mourning the death of our colleague's son. He passed, and I've been speechless. I've not been myself.
Junior Pope paid his last homage when your son died. He respected you. This was at least the same energy you would have returned back to him and not drag him. As you know, drag am when he dey alive, why drag him now? Pastor Yul Edochie, you know sabi wetin forgiveness be. Forgiveness is the key. If you no practice wetin you dey preach, wetin others go do? Even if Junior Pope did anything to you, you would have forgiven him since he don't die and not drag him. Omo, I get some kind thing wey people go do, and you go just dey wonder, say, omo, my people, I go draw the curtain for here cause I'm even speechless. I don't know wetin to talk again. Abeg drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Oh yeah now. Bye.